students, welcome to class. You've been missing a lot. A lot's been going on. This guy has 2,800 followers, and he asked me to make a video proving I'm not a bot because he blocked me. And now we're just waiting to see if he's going to actually watch it, because his audience has been lying to him at first, pretending that I made a video, but now I actually made one. Anyway, it's very confusing. But yeah. Oh, chat is a subscriber. Maybe they unblocked me. Let's see. Hi.
Oh, how did I die there? That sucks.
I think they blocked me though, so I think that only I see my comments. See, no, she actually did. She posted it. See, she made a new short. I'm not kidding. She did it. Yes, she did it. She posted. Okay, everybody's telling him. So let's see if he believes it. So this guy is somebody that I just... Okay, so the video is actually up. He seems like not a bad guy. And he's playing this game that's not violent. And maybe I can learn how to play that game and make some money too. He's making a lot of money. Now I'm having trouble affording even food because I make so little. 660,000 followers. Okay. All right, so somebody says, are you serious right now? Somebody wrote, yes, she did. She legitimately made the video. She showed her face. Says, Holorv. All right, what else do we have? She caught the new best. I don't know what that means. Oh, let's go down here. All right, rare vegan teacher. What? Okay. This sounds like a fun song. I could dance to this. Don't unblock, says somebody. Okay.
Bro, my side device started sliding on my desk. And I tried to move it.
That vegan teacher's confirmed.
That just wasn't happening.
Okay.
Yo, Artifice with the $10. Yeah, I saw the short, unless she made a new one. Did she make a new one?
Yes, I made a new one.
Look, if I see her face talking, I'll believe it's her. But for now, I don't believe it.
It is my face.
Now I don't believe it.
I did. Go and watch it.
Let's check real quick. I still don't trust it.
How can you not trust this? My actual face.
You're a liar.
No, I'm not.
EMO.
I'm not lying. I just want to save the animals. I want you to tell your audience to be vegan. I want you to watch the documentary called Dominion. Oh no, he didn't go. Oh no, he doesn't believe his audience because they've lied to him so many times.
We're going to call King Samla in a minute, chat.
It's so strange how this works. Vegan teacher hacked you. No, I didn't. It really was me.
Yo, Monster Hunter, thank you for the $5, brother. Big fan, been watching since the Stereo Extremist says, hey, thank you, man. Good luck with your future demons and this level. Have a great day, bro. Thank you. Thank you for the kind words, bro.
Let's see if he's going to go.
Look, I'm having a great day. I got a new best on quantum processing right now.
I keep getting notifications.
Ooh, let's try a different button. A different key.
Okay, well, I guess he's not going to go and check, but maybe he'll see it later. That vegan teacher, start slaughterhouse. I don't know what that means. No, I'm here to defend the animals from harm. Are you going to be vegan? I hope. Amanda, good question. Ask him, yes.
No, he didn't. She posted. No, she didn't.
Yes, I did. I posted with my face. Go on. Go check this time. There I am.
It really is me. I'm not a bot. Unfortunately, one of your moderators blocked me, so I can't respond to any of your questions. So please ask them to unblock me.
Oh my gosh, it's real. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to block you. I didn't know you were... I thought you were fake this entire time.
The animals. You seem like a good guy. So I want you to teach me how to play this game. I don't really know what's happening with this game.
What? The vegan teacher's watching Geometry Dash.
I really want you to be vegan from now on, okay? Please watch the documentary called Dominion Movement and ask your audience to watch it too, all right? And let me back in. I want to talk to you. Let's be friends.
random crossover I think has ever happened ever. What on earth? What on earth? Oh my gosh. You gotta download Geometry Dash right now.
Okay.
Geometry Dash is the name.
Geometry.
You gotta get it, and you gotta play it, Vegan Teacher.
Geometry Dash. Okay, I guess so. I don't know how to play anything.
I don't even know what to say right now. What?
I don't know how to play any video games.
I really thought this was gonna be fake the entire
I've
time.
only played Pac-Man.
Vegan Teacher. Wait. How do I unblock her? How do I
Wait,
unblock
what's
her?
your name?
Hold up. Wait, I think I know how to. I think I know what to do. What in the heck, Chad?
Okay, you're gonna block me. That would be so nice.
I know. I'm gonna do it real quick. Now that I thought they were fake this entire time. What the heck?
Thanks for unblocking me.
Hold up.
All right. He doesn't seem like a bad guy, does he?
People on my channel. This is actually insane. Why is Juniper banned? Oh wait, no, that's a fake. What in the world?
Somebody's like, what the fuck's happening right now? Eat some meat. No, don't eat meat unless it's vegan. Eat vegan meat, okay?
What? I can't even find her.
Oh no. Here, let me try again. Hi. Can you see this?
Wait a minute, is King Samuel gonna call me?
Oops. Can you see this? Oops. Copy. Let's see if he can see this. Hi, can you see this? Oh, wait. I need to go like...
Actually, I don't even know how to do it, bro. I don't know how to do it.
Oh, too bad. Okay, well, my comments...
I can't find her. There's so many banned people.
I know. I don't know who blocked me, but maybe...
Her pink profile picture.
Let's see.
Chat, what on earth is going on?
Okay, I'm writing. Can you see this?
What in the heck? Why is try to banned in my chat? Control F? Oh, you're so right. Oh, I don't think it works though when you're looking through the tags. Bro, I can't find. Look at all these banned people. I know I'm not showing you guys because I don't want to like leak all the banned people in my channel.
Vegan is a Vortra... I know. I've never played in my life. No, you don't hate me. You just hate the mirror that I hold up to you because you don't like to change, but you have to. All good people should be vegan.
I can't find it. Whatever. Look,
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for joining my stream.
You're welcome.
I can't believe you're real. I thought you were fake this whole time, and I cannot figure out how to unblock you right now.
Okay,
So
don't worry.
In a future stream, maybe in the future, I will try to figure that out later. But for
Okay.
now, I have a call with King Sam a lot, chat. What is he up to right now?
Okay, thank you very much. I really appreciate you responding. Do your best, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay? Guys, everybody be as vegan as possible. Oh, what's happening?
You are seeing a more trucks. Hi, King Sam a lot. What's up, bro? How you doing? Are you doing a speed run right now of Wikipedia?
Oh my goodness, look at all this technology these guys know. Is this, I think this is Discord. I don't know any of this. I don't know. How am I ever going to keep up with these young people? I have no idea. Anyway, guys, if you like this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe and see part 2 of this series. I guess we're going to get in touch with this Vortrox again. And if you do subscribe to his channel, remind him to be as vegan as possible starting right now and to watch the important documentary called Dominion. Thanks a lot to everybody who stayed and watched this long, ongoing process of me trying to veganize his audience. See you in the next video. Bye for now.